Alright, fourth graders, this is Mrs. Nelson, and we are going to be looking at finding angles in geometric shapes. Now, we are going to be looking at angles H, this little symbol right here. It looks like a little alligator mouth right there. That means the angle, so this means angle of. That's how you read it, angle of. So this reads as angle of HGF. This reads as angle of GFE. So how do you find those angles? Well, the first thing is they go in order that you read them. So you're looking for the angle of, you will start with H, right here, H. Then you need to go to G, so H, G, F, because it goes H, G, F. So we're looking for the angle of H, G, and so HG, and then we're going to go to F. That's the angle that we're looking for right there. Okay? So we're looking for that angle. And we have to decide, are they acute, are they right, or are they obtuse? Okay? So let's take a look at this. So looking at this angle here, we're looking at the angle right here. So we're looking at this guy right there. And we know that if we're looking at him, he looks like a really narrow angle. So we're going to put down HG to F is acute. Okay? So he will be acute. Acute means very little. It's a small angle. Now we're going to look at the next angle. And we're going to look at, it starts at G, F, E. So we're going to go from G to F to E. That's where we're going. So we're going to G to F to E. We're looking at this angle right here. Okay? And that's a real cool angle. So I'm going to highlight it from G to F and from F to E. Well, you already noticed something right there. You noticed this little square right there. And I bet you're thinking, oh, yeah, Miss Nelson said that when you see that, that is a right angle or a 90-degree angle. So yeah, that's the angle, okay? So you are looking at the angles. Now, if we're looking for some other angles, if I was looking for I to H to G, if I'm looking for this angle right here, going, whoops, then I'm going to erase these. If I'm looking at I to H to, so I to H, and then from H to G. So I look at I, so the angle of I, H to G. I'm looking at that angle. Again, I see this guy. And I'm like, oh, at the corner of those angles where they meet, I meets H. H goes to G. Where it meets, that is going to be a 90-degree angle as well. Okay? Erase that. Let's look at a different angle. So we're going to go from F to E, and then we're going to go from E to J. Okay, so we're looking at this angle right there. Okay, so we're going to look at, what does this angle say? So we know that we have F, we started, so the angle of F, so we started at F, we went to E, and then we went down to J. And that is a very narrow angle. So that is going to be a acute angle. Okay, acute. Okay, looking at a different angle, we're going to go from E, we're going to start at E, go down to J, then from J to I. So we're going angle of E, go to J, and then go to I. It's kind of like you're going to friends' houses. I'm going to start at E's house, go to J's house, then go to I's house. And then that angle, this angle right here, that's a 90-degree angle. Okay? That's what that is. Questions, concerns? Let me know. I'll see you in the next video.